Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. For today's dish, we're cooking up a comforting Filipino classic beef Mami noodles. This dish is all about rich, savory broth, tender beef brisket, bone marrow, and chewy egg noodles topped with all the good stuff. Whether you're craving something warm and filling or just want a taste of home, this bowl delivers. So let's get started.
Welcome to my cooking channel, where flavor meets fire. I'm Chef Bobby Daguplo. You think you can handle this heat? Subscribe and find out.
Smash the whole cloves of garlic skin on with the flat of a chopper, then chop it into minced. Blanch the beef brisket and bone marrow in boiling water for 15 minutes, then rinse and cut into chunks. Put in the blanched beef brisket and bone marrow in a pot, then add the aromatics. Pour in the water and bring to a boil. Allow it to boil until beef brisket becomes tender enough. Then skim the foam off. You don't want these impurities from the beef making your soup cloudy. Add the rock sugar, the white parts of the scallion, and the garlic. Cook for a few minutes and stir once or twice in between. Now add the Shaoxing wine, dark soy sauce, and light soy sauce, and stir everything together well so that the beef is coated in the soy sauce. Bring everything to a boil and immediately turn the heat down to medium. Simmer for 90 minutes. The broth should be steadily simmering where you can see water moving in the pot. To boil the water, bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Then gently add the egg noodles to the boiling water. Cook the noodles until they are tender but still slightly firm. For fresh noodles, this is often 2 to 4 minutes. Stir the noodles occasionally to prevent them from sticking together or to the bottom of the pot. Once cooked, drain the noodles well. For a firmer texture, you can rinse them with cold water to stop the cooking process. Place the noodles in individual serving bowl. Then top with a generous portion of really tender beef brisket and the bone marrow. Ladle hot aromatic beef broth over the noodles, then garnish with chopped spring onions, crispy fried shallots, and fresh chopped red chili. And that's it. Have fun the bowl of noodles and enjoy.